Good morning, June 25th, Tuesday, year of our Lord 2024. Got a high of 108 today. We're gonna go ahead and get after it early. It's gonna be right about 100 degrees by 10 o'clock, 98 by 9:30. So that'll be enough for today. Let's go ahead and get our kid onto the roof and get started. Made it on the roof. Look at that view. Nothing. 111 southeast. See what we got. Not great, but it's there. Nice and quick. Pull some doors open, snake the drain a little bit and get it flowing the best we can. It whirls, it drips. On to the next one. 111 west. Let's see what we got. Water is on. Water's right here. Stock. Float's there. Brand new. You can adjust the float. You want more water? 111 west. Cleaned the pump. Adjusted the float so we'll have a little more in there. Cleaned out the manifold. Things are looking better. It whirls and drips. On to the next one. 112 east. Let's see what we got. Not enough water flow. Very good. Oh shit. Yeah, man. This one's been cleaned, yeah. So 112 east, culprit was a bunch of matting in our lift pump line. Cleaned that out, and now we got good drip. So this is gonna be easy enough, and then on to the next one. Close her up. 112 west. Let's see what we got. You can actually open these doors. So we got water today, so good flow, but not great lift. Let's investigate. It had weak flow. I pulled the lift hose off of it. Let's plug the pump in and see if we got good flow. So we're getting inventive. We went ahead and cut the manifold in half, put the pump on it, and are pushing as much of the water out as we can, getting good water flow on both sides and around the corners, and got a lot of debris out of this manifold. This is a new technique pioneered by my good buddy Kosela, so hopefully this gets more flow through the manifold and more flow through the mats, which results in more cooling. This will be put back together real quick and then we'll be on to the next one, but this is a considerable turnaround. 113 east. Let's see what we got. Much better. So this unit just had a bunch of media up in the spider there. Pulled it apart, cleaned it out. It's got good squirrel cage rotation, good pump lift, good water flow. Close this one up and on to the next one. 113 West. Let's see what we got. Like. Oh shit. It's spinning, but not great water flow. Let's address that. All right, 113 West. Excellent rotation, excellent pump, float is set well. Went ahead and snaked out that spider manifold. She's rolling good. Close her up, on to the next one. 114 East. Let's open it up and see what we got. Oh, we need to do, I think. This probably just needs to be poked a little bit, and it'll, Oh, is there a bunch of junk? All right. Well, you blew it out. Just put it back. See if it works again. Just jumped in the line. That was easy. 114 East had junk in its lift line. Closing it up and on to the next one. 114 West. Let's see what we got. That's looking nice. Yeah? Let's just open it up and make sure. Oh yeah. Yeah. No attention needed. On to the next one. Don't have that happen very often. 115 Southeast. Let's see what we got. It opens itself. This one looks fine. Let's put this back together and move on to the next one.
Get a lot of water.
Oh, it's got too much water. Yeah, the float's messed up over here. I see that. Let's adjust the float. 115 South. This is a unit that's got a rusted out corner and the float doesn't really have a place to mount. Good opportunity for us to try to make a bracket for this. But closed up, working for now, on to the next one. 115 North. Good spin, good drip. Just pulled the door to check it out. I think this one's gonna be just fine. On to the next one. 116 Southeast. It spins, it drips. I'm sure we'll clean the manifold and make it better, but this appears to be working as intended. A quick snake, and we'll move on to the next one. 116 West. Weak flow on the pump. We're gonna pull the pump apart and check it out and get some better flow going, but other than that, this is a good unit, got a good float. Do you want to adjust that belt? Maybe go down a belt size? That looks awfully big. 116 West. Got a new belt, cleaned out the spider manifold. It is whirling and dripping. This unit is better than when we got here, certainly not perfect. Bonus cooler, 116 North. Came over, pulled it open, adjusted the motor so the belt had more tension, cleaned out the manifold and the pump. It's got better water flow than when we come up here. Motor's spinning the cage tight with the tighter belt, so improvements overall. I think this will wrap it up for the day. In the theme of doing things right, Cosalo went ahead and changed out the lift pump, and now we got much better water flow. So this cooler got a belt and a pump and some adjustments, and is better. Should be good. And we're closing this one out with 116 Northeast. See you tomorrow, maybe.